Have you ever wondered about the numerous attempts made by humanity to study Mars, our celestial neighbor? This is a story of human tenacity and the quest to unravel the mysteries of the red planet. From as early as the 19th century, Mars has been a source of fascination for astronomers and explorers alike, its tantalizing red glow in the night sky inspiring countless tales and theories. Yet it wasn't until the mid-20th century that we, as a species, finally took the first bold steps towards physically exploring Mars. The overall number of missions sent to Mars is a testament to our insatiable curiosity. Over the years, more than 50 missions have been launched towards this distant world, each one a beacon of human ambition and technological prowess. The first few attempts to reach Mars were made by the Soviet Union in the 1960s. These early missions, known as the Mars program, were pioneering in their intent, but were ultimately unsuccessful. The first spacecraft, Mars 1, never even made it out of Earth's orbit, while Mars 2 and Mars 3 failed to deliver on their promise of revealing the secrets of the red planet. These initial setbacks, however, did not dampen our collective enthusiasm. If anything, they only fueled our determination to succeed. Each failure was a lesson learned, a stepping stone towards future successes. While the early attempts proved challenging, they laid the groundwork for future missions to the red planet. The first successful mission to Mars took place in 1964 and was carried out by the United States. But what was this mission all about? In the heart of the Cold War, the United States and the Soviet Union were locked in a space race, pushing the boundaries of human achievement. As part of this competition, NASA launched the Mariner 4 mission, the first successful journey to the red planet. As the spacecraft whizzed past Mars, it captured the first close-up images of another planet from space. A total of 21 photographs were taken, revealing a barren moon-like surface, a far cry from the canals and civilizations some had imagined. This mission was a game-changer, not just for the United States, but for the entire world. It was the first time we had managed to send a spacecraft to another planet and successfully receive data back. This was a feat that would not just go down in the annals of space exploration but would forever change our understanding of our place in the cosmos. But the United States wasn't the only country making strides in Martian exploration. The Soviet Union had its share of firsts as well. Their Mars 3 mission, launched in 1971, was the first to achieve a soft landing on Mars. The lander operated for just over 2 minutes, providing the first data from the Martian surface before mysteriously falling silent. These early successes were not without their challenges. Both nations faced numerous failures and setbacks. However, they persevered, driven by a shared desire to explore the unknown, to extend human presence beyond our home planet, and to seek answers to the perennial questions about our existence. These early successes sparked a wave of interest in exploring Mars, leading to more ambitious missions in the following decades. The spirit of exploration was alive and well. The red planet, once a distant and mysterious world, was now within our reach, forever altering our perspective of the universe and our place within it. The turn of the century brought with it a new era of Mars exploration, one dominated by rovers. But what makes these rovers so special? Let's start with the Mars Pathfinder and the Sojourner rover. These two pioneers of Martian exploration blasted off from Earth in late 1996, marking the first successful deployment of a rover on Mars. The Sojourner, although small in size, made a giant leap for mankind by proving that we could remotely operate rovers on another planet. Next came the dynamic duo, Spirit and Opportunity, which touched down on the red planet in 2004. These twin rovers were initially on a 90-day mission, but they exceeded all expectations. Spirit explored Mars for over 6 years, while Opportunity roamed the Martian surface for an astonishing 15 years. Their significant discoveries, like evidence of past water activity, have reshaped our understanding of Mars. Then, in 2012, the car-sized rover Curiosity made its dramatic landing. Equipped with a mobile science lab, Curiosity has been studying the Martian climate and geology, and even discovered that Mars could have supported microbial life in the past. It's these rovers, with their resilience and scientific discoveries, that have truly revolutionized our understanding of Mars. They have bridged the gap between us and the red planet, revealing its secrets bit by bit. Whether it's uncovering signs of ancient water, studying diverse terrains, or analyzing Martian weather, the rovers have given us invaluable insights into our celestial neighbor. And it's not just about what we've learned. These rovers have also tested technologies and paved the way for future missions. They've shown us what's possible and what challenges lie ahead. These rovers have revolutionized our understanding of Mars, paving the way for the next phase of exploration: human missions. The exploration of Mars isn't just about robots. The future holds plans for human missions. But when can we expect to see the first humans on Mars? As we look to the future, it's clear that the exploration of the Red Planet is set to take a giant leap forward. NASA, SpaceX, and other organizations across the globe have their sights set on sending humans to Mars. It's an ambitious goal, with challenges as vast as the space between Earth and Mars itself. NASA's Artemis program, for instance, is a stepping stone for future Mars missions. After establishing a sustainable human presence on the Moon by the end of this decade, they plan to use the lessons learned there to pave the way for a manned mission to Mars. The aim? To land humans on Mars by the mid-2030s. Meanwhile, SpaceX's Starship, a fully reusable spacecraft currently under development, is designed with the goal of ferrying humans to Mars. Elon Musk's ambitious timeline suggests that we could see a manned mission to Mars as early as the mid-2020s. Yet, these timelines are not set in stone. The journey to Mars is fraught with challenges. From the long-duration space travel and the need for self-sustaining life support systems, to the harsh Martian environment and the necessity of in-situ resource utilization, these are just a few of the hurdles that need to be overcome. But let's not forget the potential rewards. A human mission to Mars would be a monumental achievement, opening up new possibilities for scientific discovery and marking a new era in human exploration of our solar system. And the best part? We're not just talking about a one-off mission. We're talking about a future where Mars could serve as a base for further space exploration, where humans could live and work for extended periods. A future where Mars is no longer just a point of light in the night sky, but a world we know and understand, a world that humans call home. The future of Mars exploration is undoubtedly exciting, with the prospect of human footprints on the Martian soil becoming a reality. Mars, our enigmatic neighbor, has intrigued us for decades, and our attempts to explore it have been nothing short of extraordinary. From the early days of space exploration, Mars has been a target of our curiosity. Despite numerous failed attempts in the beginning, our determination never waned. These initial setbacks only fueled our resolve to understand the Red Planet better. Our first successes were landmark achievements that proved we could reach out and touch another world. The Mars orbiters and landers gave us our first close-up look at a planet that, until then, was only seen as a distant red dot in our night sky. These missions paved the way for more advanced exploration and set the stage for the era of the rovers. The rovers, our robotic emissaries, have been the workhorses of Mars exploration. They have roamed the Martian surface, weathered dust storms, and climbed hills, all while sending back valuable data. Each rover, from the first to the latest, has contributed to our understanding of Mars, revealing evidence of past water and potential conditions for life. Looking ahead, the future of Mars missions is equally exciting. Plans are underway for human missions to Mars, a concept that once seemed confined to the realm of science fiction. These missions will not only expand our knowledge of Mars, but they will also test our technological and human capabilities in ways we've never experienced before. As we continue to probe the mysteries of the Red Planet, who knows what new discoveries await us in the future? The journey to Mars is far from over. In fact, it's just getting started.